Hello everybody, and welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing this amazing makeup with the Mini Breaker, Jawbreaker, and Alien palette by JeffreeStar. Oh my god, I can't get enough of these palettes. It's absolutely amazing. I love them so much. To start off this makeup, we are going in with the LA Girl Pro Concealer, and we are putting that all over our eyelid, as we always do. This is my primer. And then we're going in with Mini Breaker first, and to start this off, we are going in with Bubblegum, and we are going to be laying that on top of our eyelid, kind of making it a transition color. Keep in mind, I won't know the next two's name. I should, but I don't just yet. No, actually, it's just that one I don't know. I know the next one. But we took that one, and then we are laying that kind of deepening our crease. And then the next color that we're going to be using, which is Purple Punch, we are going to be really darkening up that crease. Oh my god, do you guys like my new backdrop too? I can't wait to get more lighting. Next, we went in with the Jawbreaker palette by JeffreeStar, and we are going in with Cherry Wet, and then we are going to be mixing Raspberry with that as well, and we are going to be laying that inside of our crease as well. This one makes it a very gorgeous magenta color. Now we're going back in with the LA Girl Pro Concealer, and we are going to be cutting out the crease. We did a half crease today, so we didn't do a full cut crease. Then we went in with, I don't know. It's just the really lightest color of blue. I don't know these ones. Like I said, I will get to know this palette by heart. I know all of his other ones, but not these ones just yet. And I'm so sorry if you can kind of hear a buzzing in the background. I have the fans on. It is so hot in this house right now. Oh my god. It is ridiculous. Yes, I don't know that one either. And they're too far away and they're too small for me to be able to read what they are. But we are taking that one and darkening up our outer V. And then we went in with the Alien palette, and we're going in with Black Hole. And we are going to be really darkening up our outer V to really give that nice blend, if you will say. Next, we're going in with Tarte's double-sided liner. And we're going to be making kind of a continued liner, but I'm going to be blending it in with the black, if that makes sense. I didn't make a wing. Then we went in with the e.l.f. Primer Mist. And then we took the Bye Bye Foundation by ITcosmetics. This is seriously my all-time favorite foundation. I know I said that in my last video, but I'm serious. It is amazing. Is it just me, or do I look like I'm somebody from the 80s or 60s with my little side bun poking out? Then we took we took the concealer again, and we are just concealing up the areas you want to conceal and blending in that baby. Next, we took the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder, just patting powder as we always do. Like I said, I don't know how you would explain how you put powder on. You pat it. Then we took, I think, Cherry Wet and Raspberry mixed together, and we are just darkening up our waterline. Then we went in with Kiss Products eyelashes in the style Gala. These lashes are my holy grail. Then we went in with the NYX Glitter Primer, and then we went in with My Glitter Zombiegirlcosmetics. This one is Pink Nightmare. It is, you guys will just have to see. Look at that. Oh my god. It is absolutely gorgeous, and it makes this makeup pop. Next, we went in with the Aurora Lights by BhCosmetics, and we are using this pretty little pink, and we're going to be using that kind of as highlighter. I wanted to add kind of like a little pink flesh tone, but we will be putting other actual highlighter on top of it. And for that, we are using the BhCosmetics BlackLight highlighter, and we are going in with the shade Illusion. And this one is what I used in my last one. It kind of has like this really nice purplish tone to it. Then we went in with the Pro Conceal and Contouring by Profusion, and we are going in with the light contour because I am pale and I'm white as a ghost. So we are going in with the lightest one. Then we went in with the ColourPop's Ultra Matte Lipstick. I can't remember what the name of it is. I did have Jeffree Star's Diamond Lipstick on, but I really didn't feel like it was giving this makeup too much justice because I think it was too bright. But we did that and it came out beautiful. I absolutely love it. Oh, it is amazing. And this is the final look for this makeup, you guys. Like, seriously, I cannot get over the Jawbreaker collection. I really can't. It's amazing. The formula is absolutely wonderful. It goes on smoothly. It blends wonderfully. Yep. Jeffree Star is my idol. What can I say? Alright, you guys. If you guys like this video, go ahead and leave me a like down below or subscribe. Whatever you guys want to do, hit the little notifications button. Whatever you guys want to do. It makes my day. But I will see you guys in my next video.
I hear the sounds of your heart